Hello everyone, welcome to Colorful Pages. Today in our class, I will be discussing two very important topics with you. The first topic is about the still life. When we are making still life, we need to make the symmetry in the objects, the symmetrical objects I mean to say. So when we are sketching these symmetrical objects, what is most troublesome is that the left hand side or the right hand side of the object is not matching with each other. So first thing which I will touch today is clarifying this doubt. So let's get started. To explain you well about the issue, the problem of the symmetrical object, balancing both the left and the right hand side, I will take an example of a water bottle. So what I am doing is first I am making a straight line in the center. Now this straight line is again a problem. In case if you feel that you are unable to make this straight line, what you do, I'll show you here. See, I have taken another piece of paper and join this with both the edges, see, like this. So you can mark this paper over here and this is already there. So what you can do, you can just fold it and till the point here. I hope you can see this. This is the mark which I had put and this is the previous paper. I am folding it like this. So when I fold it like this, I get a mark here, this mark. So you came to know that this is the center of the paper. How you will do? Use it now. See, you will use it like this. So this is my center line. I managed to take out with the help of another sheet the center line, the center of this paper, and I am going to join these two lines. So you can see we are correctly placed on the paper, that is on the center of the sheet. Now I want to make a water bottle. For that I want a top. This is the top. Again I need a little help from another sheet of paper. What I am doing is I am trying to mark here. See, this center is till here, okay, right, till here. So same area I will mark from this center till here. So this line is balanced, symmetrical. So the left hand side and the right hand side both are equal in this case. I want to come down a little till here. I can use the paper to draw a straight line and I want to give some shape. So what I have done, like this, and I want to make the cap of the bottle. Again the cap of the bottle is same as the top of the bottle. So what I am doing, the same proportion I am using here, this one, and the other side also this I am marking. Right, now I want it to be tilted little inside, like this, inside. So this is a very small minor place, so I can do it even without the use of the other paper. Now I will make a straight line. See, in this way how helpful it is. You can measure and your both the sides in symmetrical objects will be going in proper shape. You can check also. See, this is the point till here, right, and the same way from here till here, exact in the position you are. Now I'll just draw a line with the help of paper. You can do it without the paper also. It will be very easy, like this. Now I want to come out a bit like this, right? Now what to do? You can measure from here till here. with the help of the sheet again. So I'm using the paper, same paper, and I'm measuring from here till here. The same I will extend, that means till here, right? This is my point, and I will join this further. See, both the sides symmetry is going fine. You are balanced properly. Now a bit I want to check that the bottom, I want to see the bottom here, but before the bottom I want to see the middle part. So middle part I want to give some shape to the bottle, right? For giving a shape to the bottle, what I am doing, I am marking one point here, this, from here till here, and the same I will take from here till here, like this. So what I am doing, see, I am giving a shape. The base also I want. For the base I am using this, kindly see, the one in the starting, this one, this is the starting one, this one, right, this one, this. So I am using the same one again. So what I am doing, in the base I will mark till here, and the other side I will mark till here, and I am making a shape like this. And the base joining. See, the problem of symmetry here is perfectly sorted out. Now little bit here and here, if you feel there is something which can be done. So what can be done is, again you can mark, make some more marks, like at this particular point, right? These points you can select by your own self. See, this point here, the center of paper here. Same thing, if I will touch here, you can see my this thing is out, it's going out. So what I'll do, I will correct it. I will bring this little inside. See now, little bit here and there, whatever errors you feel, you can always improve. Same way, if I want to check my this area, right, what I'll do, I will touch this edge of the paper here, will make a mark here. Same, I will go in this side and make a mark. So what I found that this side was little inside, which I can bring it little more out. You can see now both the sides are perfect in shape. Now little bit improvement here and there to give the perfect shape of the bottle. And the base, see, this is how you can always give the correct shape of your symmetrical object. You can balance the left hand side with the right hand side. The correct shape can always be done with the help of an extra sheet of paper. You can avoid using scale, and slowly once you get practice, you can even avoid using this paper. You will be able to evaluate, judge with your own eyes that whether my left hand side is equal to right hand side in the symmetrical object or not. But in the starting, you can of course take a bit of help from a extra sheet, as I have shown you here in today's video. I hope your problem of distorted shape in the symmetrical objects is now properly resolved. So you can see now I have used a marker to make the drawing bold and clear for you. This is a very simplified drawing which I have made for the beginners, for the learners who want to try a hand in still life or in object drawing. I hope the topic is nicely clear to you and you have understood how to create a balance between the left and the right hand side in the symmetrical kind of object drawing. The second topic which needs to be discussed is the levels, the eye levels. Sometimes I see that the learners find it really difficult to understand the different eye levels when they are making a object drawing or a still life painting. So it's not at all difficult. You please pay attention to what is being taught to you today and I'm sure this problem will be resolved. Horizon plays a very important role when it comes to discuss about the eye level. So we'll start explaining from the horizon. So this is a line. It's an imaginary line which is called the horizon. Okay, so I call it horizon line, the line of horizon or horizon line. Now horizon is a place where the in nature, where when we discuss about horizon we say where the earth and the sky seems to meet. Same, you will say it is a meeting point of two levels. So this can be the upper space and this can be the lower space. So that the place, the imaginary place where both these spaces they tend to meet is called a horizon line. I will like to explain you the eye levels with an example. I will take an example of a book. So below eye level, okay, this is horizon. Horizon is at eye level. So I will write here at eye level, right? So below the horizon is below eye level and above the horizon is above eye level. This is above eye level and below the horizon is below eye level. Now again understand how much below and how much above is a question here which you will understand just with me. So I will start with another line. This line I am making for the below eye level. I don't want to go too below in the eye level. I am starting a little above the below eye level. So what I am doing, I want to make a book here. So this is a sample of a book which I am making. See, now this is below eye level, but at the same time you will understand it is not too below eye level, okay? That you need to understand by seeing. The next book which I will come up here, see the eye level. So what is happening? That this space is getting reduced here. You can see this space is reduced here, this space is bigger. The more you go below eye level, this space will increase, and the more you go towards at eye level or the above eye level, of course this space will vanish, but at eye level also this space will start reducing. This space I mean to say. So here another one step further, if I move, see this space is even more reduced. Right, one more step further, if I touch the eye level here, at eye level, exactly if I am talking about at eye level, so what happened when you are exactly at eye level? that this line, this gap and this gap is not visible in this condition. You can see the top part of the book is totally not visible. Now one step further, if I move now above eye level, so what I see that the base of the book will start being visible. Very clearly you can see what I am making is the base of the book. Like this. So what is visible now? This portion, this is the base of the, see, this is the base of the book here. Now compare, here there was a straight line, the top of the book was not visible. Here the top of the book was visible but less. Here you can see the top of the book is visible little more. Here a lot area in the top of the book is visible. Can see the difference? This is 1, 2, 3, this is 4, the top has disappeared. It's become a flat line, and this is 5 where the base of the book has been started being visible. Let us go to another step, the step 6, to see the more difference. Understand this eye level at its best. See what happened here. You can see a lot of base in the book. See here now, how much base of the book is visible. See the levels. This is the level 6. What is the easiest method to understand the eye level? Now this I have explained you very nicely. You can see the 6 steps in which, starting from below eye level to at eye level to above eye level, is clearly explained. I will take another example with you with the shape of a cylindrical object to again explain you this, so that you all are easy with it. This time I am using a cylindrical shape to explain you again the concept of above eye level, below eye level and at eye level. So I am starting with this drawing, this sketching of this. Again I told you this is what? This is the line of horizon or horizon line. Okay, so under it will be below eye level, and the upper portion will be above eye level. I'll start with the under eye level or below eye level, right? So this is, maybe this you can understand as the platform of a table on which the cylindrical object, some cylindrical object maybe like this, okay, like this box is kept. So how I start? I start with the first step. So what? Below eye level. So what will I see? I will see most of the top portion like this. The top portion will be more seen in this case, and the base will be less visible. When coming to the second step, this is the first step. The second step, what will happen? See, in this case, what was the difference? What is the issue here? That the edges of this circle, okay, this compressed circle is more circular, these edges here, right? But in this case, now this will be less circular, it will be more towards pointed. See, right? You saw the difference? 1 and 2. This is, the mouth has become little pointed. Here the mouth was more of a circular in shape. Now come to step 3. Step 3, what you will see? You will see that this will become even the mouth of the rim of the cylindrical object, it will become even more pointed. This is 3. You can see now 1, 2, 3. This thickness is being reduced. It is becoming slim. Alright. Now come to the fourth. Fourth is just at eye level. At eye level you will find that, of course, this you will find, but the top you will not find visible. Alright. So coming to the next step is above eye level. This is fourth. Now come to the fifth step. When it comes to fifth step, what you will see, that this line, the upper portion of the line is started being visible, and the base of the cylindrical object is visible now. See, this is the fifth. Now as I go up, what will happen? The base of the object will be more circular in shape. See, you can judge from the edges here. It's becoming more circular. So this is 6. Now come to 7, and you will see a whole lot of area of the base is visible. I guess this concept is nicely clear to you with the help of the cylindrical object example. So at eye level you are not seeing the top. Below eye level lot of top is visible. Then as you are going up till number 3, you are seeing that now here little top is visible, here very less top is visible, here no top is visible, again here no top is visible, whereas the base, the bottom, you can start seeing. Here number 6, again no top is visible, but the base, the bottom of the object is seen the more, and here in the final stage you are seeing that lot of base is seen. So gradually as you go up, you will see that the base, the side, the visibility of base will increase, and as you go down you will see the side, the visibility of the top will be increasing. So see how easy it is to understand the eye levels. Just a bit of attention and a bit of practice is required to understand all these things. Another example, both the examples I am showing you, I hope both are clear to you. I am sure that both your problems, the first is the shape in case of still life, the shape of symmetrical object, and your second problem, the eye level problem, is clearly resolved in this today's video. Looking forward for your support, love, likes, shares and subscribe. Stay tuned for more creative videos. Stay home, stay safe, stay happy always.